If you are looking for a premium mid-range phone with great performance and style, meet the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. It flaunts a stunning 6.7-inch FHD plus 144 Hz OLED display with ultra-smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. Plus, the vegan leather finish gives it a classy, premium feel. Powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 7400, it handles gaming and multitasking effortlessly. And with near-stock Android 15, up to 3 major Android upgrades, you get a clean, bloatware-free experience. The 50-megapixel OIS camera, 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 5-megapixel macro camera captures sharp, detailed shots, while the 5,500 mAh battery with 68-watt TurboPower charging keeps you going all day. It also packs stereo speakers, IP68 water resistance, and Moto's signature gestures making. So, would you pick the Edge 60 Fusion? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.